All right, guys, we purchased 22 acres of raw land in the Southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and the nearest urgent care is about an hour and a half away, and that's if the roads are clear. So when we decided to go off grid, we had to think about everything from food, power, storage, basically everything. But one of the things that most people don't really talk about when they're going off grid is what happens when somebody gets sick
or hurt.
So today we're going to show you what we actually keep on our property for medical emergencies and why the Jase Case is now a permanent part of our homestead infrastructure.
The Jase Case.
Not the Jase Case.
7 Sigma Off-Grid.
We are 7 Sigma
Off-Grid.
and we are city dwellers who bought 22 acres of completely raw land in the Southern Sierra Nevada mountains. And we have been building our off-grid from scratch since 2022.
2023.
My bad, 2023.
Get it right, get it right.
But one of our biggest and main concerns on the property is what do we do if one of us gets sick, basically, or if one of us get hurt? And we're nowhere near a hospital, we're nowhere near a pharmacy or any type of urgent care.
Nothing.
So
Everything fall.
this video is basically sponsored by Jase Case. We want to be upfront and transparent about that.
This video is sponsored.
But we also want to be clear that we agreed to this partnership because we hope we don't have to, but we will use it in the future.
So here's how Jase Medical works, and we want to explain this because it's actually different than what we expected.
So Jase Medical is basically a telemedicine and pharmacy platform. So first of all, you fill out an online application and consultation, and you get a real medical review by a licensed board certified physician, not a chat bot,
A real doctor.
a real physician.
Licensed doctor.
You actually get a doctor's review for your order. And what you get with the Jase Case is a curated supply of 10 prescriptions and OTC medications that are specifically chosen for emergency situations only. And the stuff that you actually need
Is when something goes wrong and you just can't run to the pharmacy.
exactly what he said.
That's what I say.
That's what we like about it, is that it gets delivered because we're too far from the hospital or urgent care.
Or anybody.
Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is tell you what comes in the actual Jase Case, and we're gonna give you a description about what each one does, the functionality, and we're gonna do that right now. There are 10 medications, and we're gonna tell you about each and every one of them in plain English.
We can't pronounce this name.
But
We're gonna try.
because each card basically gives you a description of what each medication does. So we're gonna start off with amoxicillin, and this is basically a broad spectrum antibiotic. So basically it's the kind of thing that the doctor prescribes for any type of infections, skin infections, dental infections, respiratory stuff, all of that. And then we have,
This right here is, we're gonna call it a Z-Pack.
so basically the Z-Pack is good for respiratory infections, sinuses. The next thing we have here is,
Never mind. It's anti-inflammatory.
so if you're doing the kind of work that we do, basically inflammation and pain is real, especially on your knees, your back, and all of that. So this is basically a stronger option than any of your over-the-counter drugs. And the next one we have is,
Cipro. Oh, not saying all that. Just
basically Cipro is another broad antibiotic. And it's basically good for urinary tract infections, gastrointestinal infections. It's basically a second line defense that covers what amoxicillin might not cover. So the next one we have is doxycycline.
It's a lot.
You get a lot. And doxycycline, you get 120 capsules. Doxycycline is really good for off-grid because it's really good for like tick bites, Lyme disease, skin infection, respiratory infections. So if you're out in the brush like we are, ticks are very real. And we also have
Say it.
loperamide.
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 Anyway, it's Imodium.
And you get 12 tablets in that. So it helps with stomach issues when you're off-grid.
It's just good for diarrhea.
Yep.
Got poopy problems.
Moving on, the next one we have is metronidazole. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. but
Metrosexual.
This is also good for gastrointestinal infections and bacterial infections and parasites. You might want to have this on hand. This comes with 30 capsules. And then we also have
Oh, you do that day. Ondansetron.
We're pronouncing that right, maybe we're not, but it comes in 21 capsules, and this helps with nausea and vomiting. If you can't stop vomiting, this will help with that.
These cards are nice because they tell you in detail.
Yeah, each card does tell you in detail. I really appreciate that, each card, and it actually gives you the details of what it actually does.
And we black this out because y'all don't need to know personal information because it comes directly from the pharmacy.
Yes. So moving on, we have
We ain't gonna try to say that.
We're not gonna try to say it, but
Vitamin.
this is an ointment, and they give you one tube. It's a topical steroid ointment, and this is good for rashes, skin irritations, and inflammations. So this is very good. Out here, we encounter plants and insects and irritants constantly. So having a prescription strength topical, you want to have this in your arsenal. Lastly, we have
methylprednisolone. Yeah, whatever.
Prednisolone.
It's an oral steroid.
This is for any type of allergic reactions or severe inflammation. So you want to have that as well. So yeah, that's the Jase Case. They also have an extensive add-on list if you have any specific needs beyond what is basically in this kit. The link to order this case is in the description below, and it also will be pinned in the comments as well. I feel more comfortable having something like this off grid because, you know, I'm allergic to everything. So my husband can figure out which one will help me. So,
maybe. She said nothing about me if I get hurt.
Yeah, we don't care about him.
No, I don't care about him. I'm the one that's probably going to get
This
hurt.
may
I
not-
do the most work
This may
outside.
not help you. We need to take you to the
We need
hospital.
some tourniquets.
We need some
We need to
tourniquets.
stop the bleed course.
As you can see, the Jase Case basically has a plethora of good prescriptions in there that would actually help you if you were to get sick or hurt or anything of that nature. But we do want to again reiterate that this video is sponsored by Jase Medical, and the link for the Jase Case is in the description and pinned in the comments below. As always, do your own research and consult with your physician before you make a decision. And you also want to make a decision that makes sense for you and your family.
Don't just listen to us.
Don't just listen to us.
your
We are
own
not
research.
right.
Y'all grown, work it out.
We are not medical professionals. Do your own research and don't come suing us because we said da da da.
Nope, it's on you.
Exactly.
Do your own research.
So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And share. Take 47.
It does not take
And
47.
Take 47.
It's only take 3.
Ow.
That's what you get.
Hit my funny bone.
So if you're new here,
Take 49.
why can't we be serious about anything?
Take 51. Go. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Ding. With the notifications bell. Like, comment, and share since she ain't gonna do it.
So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We put out content every week on what it actually takes to build an off-grid homestead from raw land. And we also show our wins, our failures, and the real deal stuff. So we don't BS around here. We show you everything.
A lot of failures.
A lot of starting over, as you can just see.
My fault.
Yeah. But we just want to say thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
See you Saturday.
Bye.
Peace.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.